Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
With a $1.07 billion net worth, Kim Kardashian is an American reality television star, model, entrepreneur, and ambassador. Among the most well-known and wealthy celebrities on the globe is Kim Kardashian. Kim makes between $50 and $80 million a year from her varied ventures and expanding business. Putting aside her countless endorsement contracts, Kim Kardashian's equity holdings in two businesses account for the majority of her net worth. KK Beauty, a direct-to-consumer beauty product line. Skims, a shapewear company. KK Beauty line was established in 2017 and currently has a gross revenue of over $100 million. Kim valued KK Beauty line at $1 billion when she sold a 20% stake in the company in June 2020 for $200 million. Kim's estimated net worth climbed to $900 million following the financing round. Based on estimates from CNW, she raised $5 million in 2019 from the venture capital firm Imaginary Ventures in order to introduce the Skims brand of shapewear. Skims raised $154 million at $1.06 billion valuation in 2021. Kim held the majority ownership position even after the significant funding round. Skims raised capital in 2022, valued at $3.02 billion at a $4 billion valuation. Skims raised $270 million in July 2023. As per a report by Jens Grade, Kim's business partner, Skims generated $500 million in revenue in 2022 and is projected to reach $750 million by 2023. The majority of the company's equities remains under Kim and Jens's hands, even after the July 2023 investment round. If you start a run, it's estimated that Jens and Kim jointly hold on a three of Skims. Therefore, the paper worth of those and a half free holdings is $1.32 billion, each at the $4 billion valuation. Kim Kardashian's net worth climbed from $1.04 billion to $1.07 billion at the July 2023 financing round. Kim made $72 million from her numerous ventures between June 2018 and June 2019, and an additional $50 million between June 2019 and June 2020. For a while, Kim's yearly income was mostly derived from endorsement and license agreements. For instance, revenues from the smartphone game Kim Kardashian. Hollywood brought her a modest fortune. Nearly the end. The game brought nearly $200 million and was downloaded over 60 million times. Even now, Kim retains 28 of the money made by the app. Kim's yearly income is derived from appearance fees, endorsements, reality TV pay, and paid Instagram partnerships, in addition to her mobile app. She also owns a clothes line at Sears and a line of tanning products. Childhood and ascent to fame. On October 21, 1980, Kim Kardashian was born in Los Angeles, California. Robert Kardashian, Kim's father, represented O.J. Simpson in court. Kris Kardashian, also known as Kris Jenner, is her mother. Kim began her professional life in Hollywood working as a stylist and assistant to celebrities. Paris Hilton, a socialite and best friend, was one of her first major clients. Kim Kardashian is the mother of two half-sisters, Kendall and Kylie, as well as sisters Kourtney and Khloe Kardashian. Bruce Jenner, a former Olympic athlete who is currently known as Caitlyn Jenner, is the father of Kyle and Kendall. Kim has ascended through the ranks of celebrity during the past 10 years, becoming one of the most well-known and prosperous people on the planet. She is an actual media magnate who oversees a highly lucrative economic empire. Currently, Kim's empire consists of a clothing line, perfume, weight reduction goods, personal appearance fees, television salary, cosmetics line, retail sponsorships, and personal appearance fees. Kim first attracted significant notice after a notorious sex tape starring her and Ray J was made public. Kim used her notoriety to launch her own reality series on the EI network called Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Kim's celebrity has soared to unprecedented heights since then. Her credits include movie roles, magazine covers, and appearances on a number of reality spin-offs, such as the most recent, The Kardashians reality series, which debuted on Hulu in 2022. In 2023, She will also feature in the 12th season of American Horror Story. Relationships. Throughout the years, Kardashian has dated rappers, NFL players, and NBA players. She got engaged to NBA player Kris Humphries in 2011 and they got married. Just 72 days passed during the marriage. Kim's endorsement deals and the TV rights to this wedding brought around $18 million. Following their highly publicized courtship and multiple appearances by Kanye on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kim wed music mogul Kanye West. North West, their daughter, was born on June 15, 2013, and they were married on May 24, 2014. Together, they are parents to 4 kids. Kim and Kanye filed for divorce on February 19, 2021. In November 2021, she began dating Pete Davidson. However, their relationship ended in August 2022. Rich fact. Kim purchased a $4.08 million Beverly Hills property in March 2010. This 5-bedroom Tuscan-style home sits atop 4 acres of some of the most costly real estate on the planet. Kim used to only get paid about $15,000 for each reality television episode, but now she gets paid $500,000. Kim Humphries was then married to Kris Humphries, and she spent many weeks taping Kourtney and Kim take New York together in the presidential suite of the Gainesville Hotel. Every night, the suite cost $7,000. Kim wore a $2 million 20.5 carat diamond engagement ring, a $5 million pair of 28-carat diamond earrings, and a $2.05 million 65-carat brilliant diamond tiara by Lorraine Schwartz to her wedding. But in total, she wore jewels valued at over $10 million on her special day. Not to add the $150,000 she paid for cosmetics and hairstyling. In 2014, she made $28 million. For the first time, she became the highest-paid celebrity on the planet in 2015 with an earnings of $53 million. Now, since 2015, she has made between $50 and $80 million annually. Kim Kardashian's milestones and net worth. Kim's net worth was first monitored by us in October 2009. We estimated her wealth to be $10 million at the time. Her net worth increased to $20 million by 2011. She has a $40 million worth as of January 2013. Kim's fortune took off over the next 5 years, and in a positive way. Her net worth was $85 million in 2015. By 2017, her wealth had almost risen to $150 million. Kim Kardashian has a $350 million net worth as of April 2020. On June 29, 2020, we announced that Coty Inc. had paid $200 million to acquire a 20 share in KKO Beauty, increasing Kim's net worth to $900 million. The transaction increased the brand's total value to $1 billion. After the $720 million deal, Kim kept a 72 share in the company. On April 9, 2020, we revealed that Skims had received $154 million at a valuation of $1.06 billion, which increased Kim's net worth to $1.04 billion. It is estimated that she still owns between 50 and 60% of the business. Real property. Kim paid $9 million for a property in the Bel Air district of Los Angeles in 2013. She lived in this house while her Hidden Hills property was being created. And she and Kanye spent several $1 million on substantial modifications. Kim sold the Bel Air home for $18 million in 2017. Since August 2014, Kim has lived in a massive mansion inside a gated enclave in Hidden Hills, California. The doctor sold the mansion to Kim and Kanye for $20 million. In 2010, Lisa Marie Presley sold the residence to the doctor for $5 million. Kim and Kanye then went on to completely renovate for the next 2 years. Regretfully, Kanye wasn't satisfied with the finished work in 2016, thus they had to start over. They acquired nearby properties in 2 transactions in 2019 to increase their footprint to 7.5 acres. The mansion was custom built and has 2 swimming pools, 2 spas, a full-size basketball court, and a private vineyard. They were forced to flee in 2018 after a wildfire approached their property too closely. Fortunately for Kim and Kanye, They had an insurance policy that covered private firefighters. Wow! The neighborhood was spared at Kim and Kanye's expense, in addition to the mansion that the firefighters managed to preserve. Kim gave Kanye $23 million in September 2021 so that the property could be formally transferred into her name. Of that sum, the contents of the house accounted for almost $3 million. Kim bought this 3-plus-acre Malibu property, which had formerly belonged to Cindy Crawford and Randy Gerber, for $70 million in September 2022. She is currently working to sell a penthouse in Calabasas that has been on and off the market for a number of years as of May 2023. Regarding the $2.07 million price tag, she hasn't wavered. She offered another condo in Calabasas in 2022, and it sold for $3.05 million. Now, Instagram revenue. Kim gets paid anywhere from $300,000 to $500,000 for each sponsored Instagram post. Additionally, she has made up to $1 million. Because of a lawsuit she filed in May 2019 against Misguided USA, we are aware that these numbers are accurate. Kim alleged in the lawsuit that Misguided plagiarizes her clothes and deceives customers into believing that the two are working together on the designs. Kim makes between $300,000 and $500,000 every post, according to court filings, and she has made up to $1 million multiple times. According to the records, Kim selects a small number of partners each month after turning down several offers from companies she does not want to be affiliated with. All things considered, Kim probably makes between $1 and $2 million on Instagram every month. She has more than 359 million followers on the platform as of June 2023. In brief, Kim Kardashian has a $1.04 billion fortune. She is among the world's most well-known and wealthy celebrities. In the last few years, her yearly income has exceeded $80 million. A table showing her net worth years since we started monitoring it on Versatile Infotainment in 2009 can be found below. Net worth milestones. Year net worth. 2009, $10 million. 2011, $20 million. 2013, $40 million. 2015, $85 million. 2017, $150 million. 2019, $300 million. Our Lord. 2029, $100 million. Tap. 2021, $1 billion. 2022, $1 billion. $100 million. 2023, $1 billion. $400 million.